everyone! Today we're diving into a delicious recipe you're going to love, homemade kebab buns. Let's get right into it.
You will need butter, sugar, flour, milk powder, salt, yeast, and water to make the bun. Start by adding yeast to flour. Then add salt. Add milk powder. Next, add sugar. Mix these dry ingredients. Now, add butter and water to the mixture. Mix everything together until a dough forms. Let the dough rise for about 15 minutes or until it doubles in size. Once your dough has risen, punch it down and shape them into nice and round buns. Here is the fun part. We're brushing them with egg wash and sprinkling sesame seeds on top for that golden and glossy finish. Pop them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now let's get that kebab filling going. You will need chicken, oyster sauce, pepper, and oil and vegetables for this. Heat up some oil. Season your chicken with a bit of oyster sauce and black pepper. This adds such a rich, savory kick to the kebabs. Toss in the chicken and let it fry until it's golden and cooked through. Grab your skewers and alternate between juicy chicken and chunks of vegetables. These colors just make it look so appetizing. Now that our buns are ready, we're going to cut to slits in the top. This is where the magic happens. Slide that beautiful kebab into one of the slits and tuck a fresh salad leaf into the other. It's all about balancing flavors and textures. For the final touch, we're drizzling a little mayonnaise on top. And there you have it, soft, homemade buns, juicy chicken kebabs, and a burst of flavor in every bite.